go to the last normal form, which is called fifth normal form or 5NF. It is also called PJNF, project join normal form. Now, what does this normal form says? It is says that a relation that has no joint dependency. So if we have a table R, we are decomposing the table into R1 and R2. Let's say in second normal form. To make R into second normal form, we have split in R1 and R2. Now R1 and R2 individually are in second normal form. Now after that, I have splitted R1 into R1, R3 and R4 for third normal form. Okay. And after that, let's say this R4 will be converted into R5 and R6 for BCNF. Assume that. So how many splitting will be there? R is divided into R1, R2. Then R1 is divided into R3, R4. Then R4 is divided into R5 and R6. So how many relation is there at last? So we have R6, R5, R6, R5. Then we have R3. Okay, and then we have R2. So these are the splitted table we have. So we have this R, which is divided into R6, R5, R3, R2, right? At very last. Now, when I'll do a union of all those, R6, R5, R3, R2. So I should get R. If I should get R, it means that whatever I have decomposed in a good way and there is no loss. It means lossless. Everything is lossless. Are you getting it what I'm saying? So if I'll do a union of R6, union R5, union R3, union R2, I should get R. So if I'm getting R by union of all those things or joining all those things, so if I'll get R, it means it is a lossless decomposition. If it is a lossless decomposition, then it is also in fifth normal form. Means all the splitting that you have done is good splitting and you are in for fifth normal form. It means that there is no joint dependency. So a relation that has no joint dependency are giving us lossless decomposition and giving us lossless join, and we are getting the R at very last. So that will be done in the fifth normal form, which is also called project join normal form. So it is all telling you about joining. So let's say if we have a loan info table where we have branch, customer name, loan number, and amount. Then we have splitted the table. This is, let's say, R1 table. This is, let's say, R2 table, and this is, let's say, R3 table. Okay, let's say this is R table. So what we do is R1 will join with R2, will join with R3. We should get R. We should get what? R. If we are getting R, it means that whatever we have splitted is in the fifth normal form or project join normal form. Getting it? It means that all the splitting, if we are doing based on the candidate key. What is the key here? Loan number, can we say loan? If we have a loan information and the loan number is there, can I say loan number is the primary key? So based on the loan number, if I am dividing the table based on the loan number, then based on the loan number only I'll join it, right? In the lossless decomposition, I have shown you how we'll join it. So in that, we can say that I should get R. I should get R, which is lossless join. And this decomposition is lossless decomposition. After joining, we have lossless join. means we'll get R, exactly R. No extra information will come. So that is, in that way, I can say that it is in fifth normal form or it is in project join normal. So